How to operate and test the fiber optic AC fast connector. We need to use these tools. Unscrew the bolt and put it through the drop cable. Strip the drop cable and expose the 250 UM fiber. Strip optical cable in the special device, then strip off the optical fiber coating layer by the fiber stripping pliers. And use alcohol to make it clean. The optical fiber should be neatly cut by a cleaver. And the optical fiber needs to be slightly bent when inserted into the AC fast connector. Pull out the lock. Tighten the bolt. And pull out the duct cape for testing. IL less than equal to 0.2 dB is qualified.